Sara Ali Khan and I'm shooting my first ever endorsement, which is Veet, and I'm very, very excited and I'm going down. So much love, so much adulation, so soon. I mean, it's overwhelming, really. I mean, one can only honestly say that I'm very, very grateful. और बहुत मतलब शुक्र है कि सबको काम अच्छा लगा और आगे जाके भी और ईमानदारी से और भी काम करेंगे, फिर और मौके मिलेंगे उनको, वो भी अच्छा लगेगा तो फिर करते रहेंगे.
Primarily, it's broken up into two sets. Like you see, there are two sets. So there is a pre-set before she comes to the party, and there's a party set. So you will see her in two looks.
It's a very casual, overnighter kind of look, you know, sort of, you know, they're having a sleepover and pajamas, she's in shorts, and it's something that you would just throw on and look gorgeous. Oh my God! मैं उधर से ऐसे भागना किए जा रहा हूँ, काटे बेचारी बच्चियाँ जब तक गिर ना जाए तो चैन नहीं मिलता.
What outtakes? We were in character.
The second look is like a party look. I am very excited about it. It's got sequins on it, and it really celebrates skin, but there's also a sense of illusion as she walks.
You know, because they being very spontaneous girls, they crash into a party, and you see them in their, you know, like party avatar with all their hair done up, looking gorgeous.
Action. Now what do we do? Let's crash the party.
Veet also at the core of it is for a lot of spontaneity, you know, beauty in spontaneity and in a very playful manner. So we have a completely new proposition. So we have Veet cold wax strips. We're bringing it in a 3 quick jingle way: peel, apply, pull, peel, apply, pull, and that's why we need a new face which brings life and energy to the brand again.
The philosophy that Veet goes by is something that I personally believe in as well, which is that it's really easy, you know, to be yourself. There's a layer of hair maybe somewhere that you're not happy with, and just taking that out makes you a more comfortable, a more strong, a more, you know, sexy, if you can say, version of yourself. Action. I personally use Veet. I use their waxing strips, I use their razors. So I think that it works really well if you and a brand kind of marry as far as philosophies are concerned. And this whole do-it-yourself, easy, convenient, be yourself and have fun vibe is quite me.
Any girl can be the Veet girl because it's about being real and spontaneous.
Sara is really the new star. She resonates what people are thinking today. You know, if you follow her Instagram handle or if you see her interviews.
First couple of times I faced the camera, it was a little weird. Like, you've already done this, now you have to keep doing this. You know, एक ही चीज़ को बार-बार अलग-अलग एंगल में करना पड़ता है क्योंकि फिर जाके कट बनता है. You know, things like that. They were very new to me because I hadn't grown up on set. I don't think I'll ever be able to say, yes, I'm a natural. No, I mean, I need my director, I need my co-actors, I need an atmosphere. That's what it is. Acting for me is reacting. And I'm privileged enough to say that whether it was Kedarnath, whether it was Simba, or whether it's now the set of Veet, it honestly doesn't matter. It's me, it's a team of people who are all here to do their best for a final product that we all want to be proud of.
Sara's first commercial, okay, that itself is so special. I mean, we've gone out of the way to ensure that it becomes a great beginning for her, because obviously she's going to be doing a lot more brands, a lot more commercials, but we are just hoping it remains the Veet commercial, the Veet campaign remains to be her most special campaign for the coming few years.